Hello,
Hmm.
everyone. Welcome to our new podcast. So today our guest is Mr. Rajiv. And if you have problem in life, so you should definitely watch this video and you should definitely watch this podcast because today our guest is very inspirational person. He is Mr. Rajiv and he is visually impaired. So let us have an interaction with him and let us know something about his journey, about his struggle, and how he lives the life. And I think he's a great motivation from me because as I talk to him, and I really found that he can motivate thousands and thousands of people. Hello, Rajiv sir, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. What about you? How are you doing?
Yes, yes, I'm also good, sir. So, sir, can you very briefly introduce yourself, that what you do and where are you from, and something more about you, so that our listener can easily connect with you.
Definitely. So I'm Rajiv Sahir. Sahir is my pen name,
Mhm.
and Rajiv means the lotus. Basically, I'm a singer. I'm a poet. I'm a theater artist,
Okay.
and I run a band. There is Anhad. Anhad means sound of universe. Anhad is a Sanskrit name.
Uh-huh.
And actually, what I did revolutionary thing in the field of theater, that I'm one of the first visually impaired stage play director.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, you have seen actors, you have seen who do props or and all that in India. I don't know about the world. So yeah, and professionally, I'm doing my music since past 10 12 years,
Okay.
and I'm writing since past 10 12 years, and yeah,
Mm.
but I'm doing theater since past 6 years. So this is my short introduction and my short.
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, yeah. Like as you said that okay, you are a poet, you are a singer, or again you are a writer also. You are a theater artist also, and you like run a band team. Okay, in which every person is visually impaired. So sir, like I have a first question for you. Okay, because I want to know about your journey. That like how have your journey been? Because you are completely different from most of the person. Like what I believe, so like how have been your journey? Like is it was good or it was fruitful or it was like bad? So can you explain about your journey, about all those things what you're doing right now? So how has been your journey?
Okay, Rishabh, first of all, I just wanted to tell one thing to
Mm,
everyone, to your audience, to viewers, that we are not different here. We are not different. In any sense, we are not different. Okay.
okay.
What we do is, हम लोगों का तरीका different हो सकता है, but we are not different. We have two hands, we have two legs, we have
Mm,
two eyes which are not working.
exactly.
We have two ears which are working. We have
Mm,
32 teeth. Hmm. हमारे पास हमारे पास होंठ है, सब वही है, बट what what I want to say that ये जो करने का तरीका है वो different है. So we are not different. तो ये आप सब लोग मन में बिठा के रखें.
mm,
So my journey started from 21st June 1995 when I was born.
mm, okay.
After 3 months, my family knows that my family someone told me that he can't see. So मतलब family होता है ना, oh my god, how he actually I'm the eldest one. I'm the eldest one. I have two sisters, younger sisters, and one younger brother. They are sighted. It means they can see.
Mm,
So I came from very like I came from Bihar. I born in a small village in
mm,
Chaudhry Basanpur, Frick Bhagalpur, Silk City. And people who lives in small village, they don't know how to tackle and how to handle this,
mm,
because people from village, they told that यार ये तो सूरदास हो गए हैं, ये तो अंधे पैदा हो गए हैं, वंश कौन चलाएगा. हम्म? ये तो और some people told that ये तो भगवान आए हैं, भगवान।
mm,
हिंदी में देयर इज अ सेइंग कॉल्ड, या तो अर्श पे पहुंचा दिया है आसमान पे, या तो फर्श पे पहुंचा दिया है, जमीन पे ऐसे गिरा दिया है। तो
mm,
दैट वाज द वेरी वर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड विद माय फैमिली।
mm,
एंड देन cut short, I went so many hospitals, so many peer babas, so many sadhu sants.
mm,
Someone told me to, put Gaumutra in his eyes. And, once my grandmother took me to a Baba
mm.
in Kolkata.
Okay.
Huh. And you can't even imagine what he did with me. He put the juice of weed, गांजे का रस, उसने मेरी आंख में डाला। And that was the pain I can't forget till my death. Yeah. तो ऐसे ऐसे लोग, these type of people are, there in the world. Their existence is in the world.
Mm,
I don't know what to say. And then, yeah, someone told my grandmother that there is a school called National Association for the Blind, but that is in Delhi. So just take him to that school and admit
mm,
him. So uh, I got admission at National Association for the Blind, RK Puram in New
okay.
Delhi. Yeah,
Mm,
and one of my chacha took me there, and yeah,
mm,
when I was 4 or 5, I now from that time till now, पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा। I faced so many obstacles, but there's a couplet in Hindi के परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमी पे
mm.
बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है।
Exactly.
This is my short journey. So
Mm.
yeah,
Wow,
you
wow,
can
yeah.
come.
Thank you so much for sharing your journey. Okay, it was like motivational. So, just I want to know some more of your struggle because right now you are doing a lot of things. Because if you will see a person who have eye, like who can do everything. Okay, he is completely fit or he's completely like good, but still they have a lot of complaints with their life. Okay, they have a lot of things to say that my life is not good. They have a lot of things to say. So what about like what do you want to say to those kind of person that they are completely fit, they have everything, but then also they give a lot of complaints from their life. So what is your message for those kind of people?
See, everyone has complaints. Everyone has complaints. But the challenge is that how to handle with your complaints and how to balance your life. Yeah, the main
Mm,
purpose is that, being a complaining person is not a problem. The problem is
mm,
that कि obsessed कितना होगा, आप कितना वो obsessed तो नहीं होने देते अपने ऊपर ना, तो वही
okay.
प्रॉब्लम है। ठीक है, कंप्लेन होना जरूरी है,
Mm,
अदरवाइज अदरवाइज हाउ कैन यू यू नो डू द थिंग्स गुड।
mm,
तो शिकायतें नहीं होंगी तो जरूरी, हाँ, लाइक मेरा स्ट्रगल क्या है, मेरा स्ट्रगल, यार सी आई अटेम्प्ट 3 times सुसाइड बिकॉज ऑफ माय कंप्लेन्स ना।
oh my god.
बट हाँ,
Okay.
वो when I was in class fourth, one of my teacher, अब आप देखें वो मेरा गुरु है, and what he is telling me that you are a singer and you are a blind also, so go and sit on the footpath and start your business, start begging, or
Oh.
go to some dargah or mandir.
Mm,
It means Lata Mangeshkar ji and Arjit Singh, they all are beggars na, what you are
mm,
trying to say कि वो लोग beggars हैं। मैं उन टीचर्स को पूछना चाहता था, बट एट दैट टाइम आई वाज चाइल्ड, आई वेंट
mm,
depression at that time, and I thought to destroy my life.
okay.
Yeah.
Mm,
So मेरी तो कंप्लेन अभी तक है कि कि आप किसी ब्लाइंड को गाते हुए देख लेंगे, आप उसको भिखारी समझ लेंगे. एंड दिस वर्स्ट, ये क्या, मैं क्या बोलूं, मेरा गुस्सा निकल आता है. बॉलीवुड से मुझे इतना शिकायत रहता है कि या तो बॉलीवुड एक अंधे को भिखारी बना देता है, या तो सिंगर बना देता है. सी, आई एम अ सिंगर,
mm,
बट मुझे वैसा नहीं है ना. मैं बेसुरा गा रहा हूँ तो मुझे बोलो ना.
mm,
बॉलीवुड में भिखारी मतलब अंधा. सो दिस इज नॉट द राइट
mm,
way to
exactly.
portray a visually impaired person or blind person.
Okay, okay, fine. And then like something more you would like to share about your struggles, like what are the things you faced in your life, and like how you came out of that situation, and how you like from where you used to get motivation, because in life motivation is very much required. And I think everybody's life, okay, motivation is required. So how you used to motivate yourself, and like how you came out of these struggles in your life.
See, music is my motivation. Actually, I am not inspired with any of motivational speakers. Any of motivation. Actually,
Okay.
एक बात मैं कहता हूँ कि आप मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर आप अपने खुद से हो सकते हैं.
Mm,
यार, मैं आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क वन थिंग टू योर ऑडियंस कि
mm,
आप लोगों ने कभी अपने आप को आईने में देखा है? एनी वन कभी आईने में देखा है? आपने कभी अपने आप को किस किया है, चूमा है? डिड यू लव योर सेल्फ? डिड यू किस योर सेल्फ? डिड यू सी योर सेल्फ इन द मिरर? देन फिर तो आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी किसी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर की. भैया, खुद से इश्क करोगे, खुद से प्यार करोगे, तो फिर मैं
mm.
मैं सेल्फिश होने की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार. मैं सेल्फ विश होने की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. Exactly. Like there is a saying that no one can motivate yourself, okay, if you don't. So means there is
Yes.
like you have to motivate yourself in every part of life. Okay, like
Every part of
because external motivation can't last long, but if you can motivate yourself, that will be going long lasting.
exactly. So you are saying that I'll have to tell more about myself. So yeah, I learned my music from a very renowned school, Gandharv Mahavidyalay. It's one of the best music schools in all over India,
Mm,
and I'm I learned music from there
okay.
as well. And right now, I'm trying to, I wanted to pursue masters and then PhD. I wanted to
Okay.
do my PhD in the subject of Tawaif's Gharana, tradition of Tawaifs, because you're from Jharkhand, so you know what is Kajri, what is Chaiti, what is Hori. These
No,
you don't know.
no.
Go after this interview, go and
Uh,
search on YouTube that what is Chaiti, what is Kajri.
mm,
These are the traditional art forms which is which is sung in kothas or either in mandirs or in
mm,
mehfil. Yeah,
okay.
and very interesting thing is that tawaifs used to perform these things, or pandits or ustads. So yeah.
Mm,
Mm. So I wanted to pursue my PhD on this subject. So yeah, and I learned theater from Rajesh Tiwari sir. He's
okay.
from National School of Drama. He he's not pass out actually. He was teacher from National School of Drama,
Mm,
and I also directed some plays,
mm,
and yeah, mostly I used to work with sighted people. People see, मजे की बात क्या है? I am a visually impaired, and I work with them who are not disabled in any
mm,
who are not externally disabled. I can say
mm.
you have also disability, but you don't know about your disability. तो वो
Yeah.
internal. हम्म.
Exactly.
तो
Wow.
बस यही है मेरा छोटा सा परिचय.
Yeah, fine, fine. Yeah, thank you so much. Like you have explained the things in a very good way. One last question I have, okay, and the question is
Hmm.
very much interesting. So hope I think from you we can learn a lot of things. Like the question is all about like what is a piece of advice you would like to give to our listener? Like what is a message you want to provide to the people, to the listener, and to mostly my audience is young audience, okay, are in twenties. So what is the message or piece of advice or your life lessons, like what are the things you learned from your life, something you would like to share with our audience so that they can inspire and they can know the real meaning of life.
See, because your audience are young people, so guys, हमेशा young रहना, अभी 20 के हो 40 के हो के भी young ही रहना,
Mhm.
and get updated. और एक और चीज कि यार कभी ना दिल मत छोटा करना कि करियर में क्या होगा. बी आर अम्बेडकर takes 12 years to understand Vedas and Puran and all that, these things. अभी तो हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. ठीक है, जिंदगी सब कहते हैं 4 दिन की, 4 दिन की नहीं है यार. इसको जियोगे ना, बहुत स्मूथली जी निकलेगा. और परेशान मत होना. सी, when I attempt last suicide ना, one of my friend one of my friend slapped me, and what he told me कि तू जिसके लिए खुद को खत्म कर रहा है उसको फर्क पड़ता है क्या. एंड आई थॉट यार बंदा तो सही बोल रहा है. तो गाइज, if you will lose, no one cares. And if you will win, no one cares except your loved ones. ठीक है. जीतोगे तो सब मजे लेने आएंगे. अरे वाह, हम तो कहते थे हारोगे तो भी मजे लेने आएंगे. हम तो कहते थे, कर ही नहीं पाया.
Mm.
डोंट गिव अ डैम टू एनीवन. बस मैं तो यही कहूंगा. और यार मैं क्या, मैं मतलब मेरा मैं हमेशा, सब मेरे दोस्त यार दोस्त कहते गुस्से में रहता है. तो हाँ,
Mm.
मैं गुस्से में रहता हूँ. और ये गुस्सा बरकरार रहना चाहिए. मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. और सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं है. मेरी कोशिश की ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. और मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए.
Wow,
है ना.
fantastic.
ये
Great.
दुष्यंत कुमार का है. तो
Uh,
बस यही है. तो गाइज, कीप मोटिवेटेड और हमेशा फ्रेश रहना है. फिर तो यार, अ, अभी तो we'll have to, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So,
wow.
yay.
Wow, fantastic. Yeah, you have gave a very a great piece of advice for our listener, and also like these things everyone should apply in their life to live a happy life and to live a satisfied life.